Alright, so it's first thing in the morning. All you can think about is getting that pot of coffee. Check. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a really nice breakfast. You could go for pizza from last night. No, this isn't a good idea. How about I show you how to make a nice spicy spinach omelet? Super healthy. Alright, grab some egg whites from the fridge or just eggs. Frozen spinach, check. A shallot, some artichoke, I guess. Whatever you have, really. Some emmental, some Swiss cheese. And to spice it up, we got some cumin, smoked paprika, some garlic powder. There it is. And let's spice it up even more with some hot cayenne pepper and some parsley, because I said so. Don't forget some salt and pepper as well. Now, take that brick of a spinach. You can build a house with this thing. No, we're gonna put that in a bowl. Let's put it in the microwave. We're gonna defrost that frozen spinach. Take that shallot. Oh, we need a bowl. Take that shallot, and then you're gonna slice and dice and throw it in the bowl. Grab one artichoke and chop that up into little teeny bits, and just kind of sprinkle it into the bowl like that. There you go. Now just take egg whites and eggs, whatever, and just dump it in the bowl. I don't know. I'd say that's about 3 or 4 cups. Spinach is ready. Break it up into little pieces and throw that whole thing in with the eggs. Make sure it's not too hot. Now we're going to spice it up with a little pinch of garlic, pinch of paprika. Oh yeah, I forgot some ground tumeric as well. That's going to make your egg whites look a little bit more yellow and add some flavor. Add a little bit of cumin. That's very powerful stuff, just a little bit. Now let's get that spicy cayenne pepper, and I'd say a 1/4 tablespoon of that. And a little bit of pinch of parsley, just to make it green and colorful. Alright, salt, yep, pepper, and that's what it looks like. Alright, stir, stir, stir. That is tasty and ready to drink. No, it's not. We gotta cook that up. So you take the emmental cheese and shred it all up. Put some butter in the pan. Just give it a little spin. And then we're ready to start cooking this omelet. I like to just kind of pour it in. This is 2 portions here, as you can see. We're going to make the first one, spread around the spinach evenly, and we're going to let that sit and cook for a bit. And now it's time to make some toast. I'll use that beet bread that we made in the last episode. It's actually really good. Make sure you check out that episode and I can show you how to make that bread. Toss it in the toaster here. Now the omelet's pretty well cooked. We're just going to add that cheese on top. And the bottom should be not hard crispy, but just well done on the bottom, and that allows you to flip it really easily. And I give it a little squeeze to let all the juices kind of come out there, the leftover egg that's not cooked, and then just give it one more pan flip, like a ninja. Oh yeah. Now, I usually just let that sit for a couple more minutes to make sure it's well done on the inside, add some salt, and you're ready to go. Ready for liftoff. We're gonna take that right over to our plate and just kind of shimmy it onto the plate, just like this, and then it rests like a little baby on the plate. Toast is ready. Gonna butter that up, or you can just use light margarine like me. And there you have it, the spicy spinach and artichoke omelet with egg whites and some beet toast. It's really easy to make. This took me like 20 to 30 minutes. You could do it too. Let me know in the comments if this is something that you end up trying to make and how it turns out. I'd love to hear from you. Honestly, this really tastes amazing. You can add other spices like curry, whatever you like. It's so good. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Have a good one.